Welcome to another how-to video. For today's video, let me show you how you can add another email account to Outlook. Now that we are on the Outlook, all you have to do is go to the File tab, which is located at the upper left of your app screen. While you are in the File tab, click Add Account. As you can see, these are already saved accounts in Outlook. Like for example, the account that you see on my screen. I will just click Connect. It will be directly connected to Gmail since you use a Gmail account to log in. While you are there, click Next. You just have to type your password. Next again. Or if you don't have an account, you can create one by clicking Create in Outlook, which is located under the Connect button. Wait for the connection or syncing to process. And that's how to add another email account to Outlook. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in and we'll see you next time.